So this is our Bunsen burner, which we'll use for heating things, basically whenever we need a flame. It is connected via this tubing to the gas line. You want to make sure that the gas line you're working with is the same one that's connected to your Bunsen burner. And the way we're going to turn the gas on and off is by turning this knob. When the knob is facing perpendicular to the tubing, it is off. When it is parallel to the tubing, it is on. Before you turn the gas on, though, you want to make sure you know how to use your sparker, which is what's going to provide the spark to start your flame. So I don't want you sort of playing around with the sparker and filling the room with gas. I want you to double check that you know how to use your sparker first. The sparker works by applying friction. So I'm going to push this in and across at the same time, and that will create a spark. Once you know you can create a spark with your sparker, you can turn your gas on. You hold the sparker at a slight angle above the Bunsen burner, and then you flick the sparker and you should get a flame. This flame is not perfect. I would like to see the flame mostly blue without all of this orange. I want to see it kind of steady, maybe a little bit shorter. So I can adjust the flame in two ways. I can adjust here, which sort of changes the amount of oxygen I'm letting in. And I can adjust down here, which changes the amount of gas I'm letting in. So you can sort of play with both of those and see how they affect your flame. But you want a flame that looks maybe not quite like that. A little bit more blue is the flame that you're looking for without so much orange. Safety-wise, I want to remind you that if your flame goes out, turn off your gas. If you smell gas, turn off your gas. If you're sitting there forever trying to get the sparker to light the Bunsen burner and it's not working, turn off the gas and give yourself a second. So if anything goes wrong, your first response is to turn off your gas. If anything catches on fire, please scream fire. Your instructor will come help. And just take basic safety precautions. Hair tied back, no loose clothing, things of that nature.